Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a bad image error on GTA 5. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go on search, and then you need to write registry editor, and on this you need to expand a local machine thing here. Then you need to go to software, and once you're on software, then you need to go to Microsoft and expand this option. And once you are on Microsoft, then you need to go and find Windows NT and expand this option. Then you need to go to current version, and on the current version you need to look for Windows again, and here should be Windows, and then you should see this file, a app init.dlls. So what you need to do here is to double click it, and if you're getting this error, something is written here. So what you need to do here is to make it blank, press OK, and after you did that, just restart your computer and then run the game, and problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.